Hello everybody, this is Ron with Mulholland Security, and I'm here in beautiful Studio City, California, and I want to show you again one of our beautiful new innovative products. This is our aluminum wood imitation style gate. This looks really like wood, but unlike wood, this has almost zero maintenance to attach to it. It will not shrink or expand as wood does with with the weather and with the elements. It's beautiful. It does really work well. For example, here in this house with all the vegetation, and it does give you the illusion that this is made out of wood. I'll come a little bit closer and you can see how nice this looks. It really looks like wood. This has been installed, by the way, about 3 months ago, and you can see that it still looks beautiful. It still looks brand new. Did not fade like wood and stain does. Did not move anywhere compared to where it was originally. It helps a lot in climate like ours with extreme heat and then cool temperatures at nighttime. It helps a lot that it doesn't fluctuate, doesn't expand, and doesn't start to sag and hit the post like wood gates do. This one has a combination lock on it. Again, these gates, we're very proud of it, are made here in the United States, locally at our Canoga Park facility. We're very proud of that fact. A lot of manufacturing is running away from the state, but we actually opened ours right here in the middle of San Fernando Valley in order to be able to provide these products faster to our customers. We're very proud of that. So again, Ron with Mulholland Security with another beautiful, innovative product made by Mulholland Security.